welcome back to my channel. It's Nisha Nicole, and today I'm bringing you a sunset cut crease makeup look. So if you want to see how you can get this look, just go ahead and keep watching. So first I'm going to go ahead and prime my lids with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Then I'm going to blend that with my Morphe blending sponge. Next, I'm going to grab my Juvia's Place Zulu palette and dip into that orange color, patting that into the crease using my Morphe M321 brush. Then I'm going to blend that out with my Morphe M506 brush. Now I'm going to take that yellow color in the Juvia's Place palette and use that to blend above the crease, which will blend out the orange so that there is no harsh lines. Now I'm going into the James Charles palette. I'm taking the color You're Kidding Me, and I'm going to put that below my crease and blend that out. Okay y'all, so I decided to go into the color 518, the neon orange color in the James Charles palette, and blend that out on top of the red color. So a little tip for cutting your crease is to put the concealer on your eyelid, not the crease, and look up, and the concealer should mark on your eyelid where your cut crease should be. Now I'm starting to wing out the concealer and try to do it with a steady hand. Mine is a little bit shaky, but it's okay. All right, I'm going to take my Morphe M443 brush, which is a pointed liner brush, and dip into that red in the James Charles palette and make a line right on top of the cut crease. I'm going back in with a clean Morphe M506 brush to blend that red line just a little bit. Now I'm going back into the James Charles palette, and I am taking the color Sister, which is a gorgeous shimmery rose color, and packing that color all over my lid. Now I'm just going to go ahead and throw on my Maybelline mascara. I get those goosebumps every time, and when you're not around, you know that feels higher. Also, so tell me why I forgot to put my eyeliner on. So I took the color Spooky in the James Charles palette on my Morphe M443 brush and made a black line right above my lash. So all I'm doing now is putting on a pair of lashes. Now it's time to prime my face using the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. Next, I'm just going to blend that primer out with my blending sponge. Okay, now it's time for foundation. I'm going to go ahead and blend out my Sephora foundation in matte 1036. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and blend that out under my eyes, my chin, forehead, and down my nose. Now I'm going to go ahead and contour using my Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F16. Using the same blending sponge, I'm going to go ahead and blend that contour out. Y'all, it's baking time. So I'm going to take my Makeup Revolution baking powder in Banana, and I'm going to go ahead and pat that under my eyes, my chin, forehead, and the bridge of my nose. To go ahead and make my contour a little bit more defined, I'm going to go ahead and add my powder along my jawline. Alright, so to bronze, which I do not need to do, I'm going to go ahead and take my Colourpop pressed powder in Deep Dark and put that everywhere I contoured. Now it's time to go ahead and wipe away all the baking powder. I'm just using a fluffy brush I bought from Target. So I put blush on the apples of my cheeks and my nose to give it that adorable sun-kissed look because I'm adorable. And to go ahead and finish my eye look, I'm going to go ahead and add a white eyeliner to the waterline of my eyes. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back into the Zulu palette, placing the orange and the yellow color on my bottom lash line. Alright y'all, it's my favorite time. It's time to shine bright like a diamond and use my Laura Geller highlighter in Gilded Honey. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. Now I'm going to also highlight my cheeks and my forehead.
Boy, if you don't...
Onto the lips, so to line my lips, I use a brown lip liner from Rimmel London. When I'm done lining my lips, I'm going to go ahead and blend that line out with my finger. So the lipstick I'll be using is from Bite Beauty in the color, I don't know if it's Glacé or Glass or Glace.
My bitch takes me and ask why I don't text back. My dog got out of prison and went right back. These brand new don't step on my...
Alrighty y'all, that's the finished look. If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.